सब लोग आ गए? इधर आ जाओ, थोड़ा आगे आ जाओ, देखा दो उधर, ठीक है? चलो so we are dealing with airway device. चलो उठाओ एक. What is this? When we use it? Whenever we are suspecting any upper airway obstruction, ठीक है? Like few patient with having poor GCS, drowsy patient, those kind of patient, we often see some obstruction, some sound is coming, suspecting of some air with a tongue fall or any soft tissue obstruction. We use it in those patients. Okay. How to insert this? Can anyone show? करो, do it. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. सी जो हमारा this curvature, this concavity should be facing towards the hard palate, right? Concavity should be facing towards the hard palate, and we have to insert up to halfway marks, up to the soft palate. ठीक है ना? Initially there is a hard palate. Suppose this is the whole palate. ठीक है? तो up to some extent, up to some area, there will be hard palate. ठीक है? We can't rotate it there. Once we go further posterior, na, there is a soft palate. ठीक है? In the area of soft palate, we can rotate this. Why? To avoid the trauma. ठीक है? तो facing the concavity upward towards the hard palate, we insert it up to soft palate, then we rotate it 180 degree, and then press it further in. ठीक है? तो mainly we use it for upper airway obstruction. ठीक है? Any pharyngeal obstruction हो रहा है, in those patients we use it. Having tongue fall or any soft tissue, because of that we use it. Next is when we use it. Indication बोलो, कब कब यूज करते हैं? सेम अपर एयर ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन में भी इसको यूज करते हैं. ठीक है? लाइक टंग फॉल एनीथिंग, वी यूज दिस nasopharyngeal airway. ठीक है? The curvature, the curvature should be facing downwards. जब final position में ना, the curvature should be downward, and this slit, this slit is facing on one side, not front, it's facing on the one side. ठीक है ना? तो this should be facing medially, not laterally. ठीक है ना? तो we have to insert it in the right nostril. We have to go through the right nostril, because if we put it, if we put it in the left nose, na, what will happen? The pharyngeal wall is there here. If we go through the left nose, na, this will go to the, this will start touching the pharyngeal wall. So what will happen? This opening will be occluded. So patient will have some breathing difficulty in that at that time. So always whenever we insert it, we have to insert it to the right. So the slit should be facing medially. That is the aim. ठीक है ना? समझ गया? ठीक है. We use it mainly for the tongue fall or upper airway obstruction basically. ब्रदर समझ रहे हो ना? हाँ? चुप हो बहुत है. ठीक है. After this, we use nasal cannula. Nasal cannula, we don't have any nasal cannula here right now. What is the advantage of nasal cannula? And how much of oxygen we used to give through nasal cannula? 2 to 4 liter. And what is the advantage of nasal cannula? Nasal cannula, whenever the patient requires less oxygen, we use nasal cannula. Advantage patient के लिए बहुत, it's very comfortable for the patient to tolerate it. What is the limitation of the nasal cannula? We cannot give at high rate, high flow rate. What will happen? some nasal crusting will be there, some sore will happen, some trauma will be there. Because of that, we can't give at high flow rate. We have to give it low flow rate. Nasal cannula, face mask. Face mask में छोड़ दो. We use this is high flow mask, मतलब high flow mask with a reservoir bag ना. What are the parts? बोलो एक बार, पकड़ो, बोलो. One is reservoir bag, mask. वाल्व रहता है वहाँ पे, वन वे वाल्व रहता है. ठीक है. What is the minimum flow rate we used to maintain? What is the oxygen flow rate? Around 15. We start with 15. ठीक है. And how much FiO2 we can reach with this? 1/3. अब हाँ?
1/3 bag full.
नहीं बताते हैं. I will tell you. How 55% तक जाते हैं. Up to 55% of FiO2 we can achieve with this. ठीक है. This bag should always be completely inflated when it is applied na, when oxygen connected, this bag should be fully inflated. ठीक है. Now suppose how it works. Suppose if patient is breathing at 20 liter per minute, he is breathing at 20 liter per minute, and we are giving it 15 liter per minute. ठीक है ना. तो what will happen कि 15 liter will come, but he is breathing at 20 liter per minute. So from where that 5 liter come? From this reservoir bag. To maintain the FiO2. ये हो गया. What next? What are the parts? बोलो कोई एक आदमी. सक्शन के लिए. ठीक है. कनेक्टर. कफ. सी. Right from the आगे आओ देखो. What is this? There is one opening here, one opening here. Why? This is called eye. 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 ठीक ना. Suppose if this get occluded, what the air can go and the breathing can occur through this. ठीक है ना. This is cuff. Cuff. ठीक है ना. What is use of this cuff? Remember, from now onwards, it have got only one use: to prevent the air leak. If you are ventilating the patient with the ET tube, what will happen? If it is not inflated, what will happen? The air will glow and air will go from here inside, and the air will start leaking here also. ठीक है ना. तो to prevent the air leak, we used to inflate this cuff. Fix करने के लिए इस no किसी चीज के only to prevent the air leak. Only one answer. To prevent the air leak. Fixation, this, that, नहीं. Only to prevent air leak. ठीक है ना. ठीक है. This is the tube. This is subglottic suction के लिए है ये. ठीक है. See, there is a port here. We used to do the suction with the help of a syringe. 20 cc syringe लेकर के suction करते हैं. तो whatever secretion is there collected here ना, तो that will be sucked out. ठीक है. And this is pilot balloon. ठीक है. इसको pilot balloon बोलते हैं. ठीक है. What should be the pressure? 25 to 30 mm. उतना प्रेशर मेंटेन करते हैं इसमें. ठीक है. और ठीक से देखो, देयर इज ए रेडियो वाइट लाइन. ठीक है ना. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन सी दिस इज रेडियो ओपेक. ऑन एक्सरे वी यूज्ड टू सी दिस ओनली. द ट्यूब इज नॉट विजिबल. दिस लाइन इज विजिबल. इन एक्सरे, ठीक है। एंड वो these are the markings 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, ठीक है। At what position we used to fix adult male, हाँ
22, sorry.
22 mostly,
22 and
ठीक है 22 and 20। और क्या टेक्स्ट में बोलो, what are the ये parts? Pilot balloon, cuff,
cuff
cuff, tube, pilot balloon, and there is a stillet inside. You see, this is stillet. While inserting the tube, this is inserted completely, then we take out the stillet. ठीक है ना? Nothing. हो गया मेरा, कुछ नहीं है। Thank you. और लैरिंगो, all of you have seen the laryngoscope? देखा ही होगा।
blades.
We have 3 size of blade here. Small, medium, large. We have 3 blades here. ठीक है ना? This is for pediatric. For pediatric there is one more size, small size. ठीक है ना? This we use in adult. Whenever we anticipate a difficult intubation, we use last blade. Whenever we are anticipating any difficult intubation, we used to go through last blade. ठीक है? छोटा ही यूज करते हैं। करो, दिखाओ, हाउ डू वी डू। ठीक है, नथिंग एल्स, मेरे पास इतना ही है। ये बताना भूल गया तुम लोग को। Forgot to tell this. What is this? Venturi. ठीक है ना? All of you can see. Hold it. पकड़ो, वापस कर देना। ठीक है, सी पीछे भी दिखाओ। सी इट्स रिटन, फ्लो रेट भी लिखा हुआ है एंड FiO2। ठीक है, दैट मच ऑफ FiO2 कैन बी अचीव्ड इफ वी फिक्स इट एट दिस पर्टिकुलर फ्लो रेट। सो वी यूज टू गिव with all the with the mask with a reservoir, face mask, nasal cannula, all from all those मतलब airway device ना, the FiO2 is variable, but with this we give fixed FiO2। ठीक है, if we give at this rate, suppose 6 liter per minute, we're giving 31% FiO2. This is fixed. In other devices ना, it is variable with the patient breathe, how is breathing, that depends upon that। ठीक है ना, but this will give fixed amount of FiO2। That's all। उसमें सीधा मास्क में लगता है वो, सीधा जो मास्क ना, एक और मास्क ना, ये सीधा इसमें लगता है एंड द ऑक्सीजन पोर्ट हियर, दैट्स ऑल। ये समथिंग, ये गलती से डाल दिया है इसमें। ठीक है, छोटे
सर ये इसको मतलब फिक्स करने का अडल्ट को 2022 में मतलब उसके पीछे
नहीं, ये सब जनरली फीमेल पेशेंट रहती है तो 21 पे फिक्स करते हैं, और मेल रहता है तो 22, एडल्ट मेल रहता है 22. डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कैसा पेशेंट है, शॉर्ट नेक है कि लॉन्ग नेक है, वो देखते हुए. आफ्टर पुटिंग द ट्यूब वी यूज टू ऑस्कल्टेट द साइज, मतलब बायलैटरल एयर एंट्री कैसा है, हाउस द एयर एंट्री, इफ देयर एंट्री इज इक्वल वी कंफर्म विद द चेस्ट एक्सरे आफ्टर दैट. क्या चलो